As you walk with the knight, you feel so safe with him and so protected. He tells you that he is your guide today, and he will show you the land where he lives. Finally, you arrive at a huge gate with a drawbridge. The bridge is down, so you can walk over it. As you walk inside, you see a big city. It looks incredible. You see lots of small buildings stretching out alongside cobbled streets. In the distance, towering above the city, you can see a beautiful castle. As you walk through the city, you see some small shops selling very interesting things.